Name.
My name is Imani. And my name is Lisa. And we're practicing how to protect ourselves.
Face each other. On that grab. Knees. Come on, Ayumi. Spinner. Choke, take down. Get up. On that go. No, go. Goes. Upward knee. 3 upward knees. Spin her around. Put in a choke. Kick out that back knee to break the balance. Good. Let her up. Come on. Get up fast. Face each other. Une. Grab. Upward knee. Spinner. Choke. Kick out that leg to break the balance. Good. No. Grab. Upward knees. Spin her around. Choke. Kick out that leg. Good. Let up. Thank you. Say bye.